Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about exponential functions. So now I will show you how to answer. We have 2 points in here. So we know that when s equal to number 0, that means we put number 0 go in here. We can got about b to the power of 0, b to the power of 0 equals to number 1. So that means we just have only a. And we know that number 11, that's about the value of a in here. Because we put number 0 in here. And f of number 0 equal to number 11. But b to the power of 0, you got about number 1 in here. And this is the reason why you got about a equal to number 11. So the first one, you got about 11 in here. Now, the point number 2, when s equal to number 3, we have 297. So we put 297 in here. We change a into 11. And we have b. And we have s equal to number 3. We put number 3 in here. Now we divide both sides by number 11. You got about 27. After we divide by number 11 in here. Now we put the cubic root for the both sides. This one you will have about b. The cubic root of 27, you got about 3. So the value of b should be about number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.